Hey guys, Fanny from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and today I want to show you a couple of Christmassy things we're doing for our Christmas homeschool. If you're new to my channel, I'm a homeschooling mom to 3 and I help to homeschool 2 other kids throughout the homeschool this year. So today I just want to share with you guys some Christmas things that we're doing in our Christmas homeschool unit. To give you a quick review, this December is counting as our 1 month off of school. However, my homeschooler that I homeschool from a friend, she does all of the Christmas things and she does reading and math. And then when we start January again, we're gonna get started with science and history and all those other things. So anyway, today for math, my son's just doing a couple of math challenge worksheets. They were super easy for him. He did 3 of them, but I'm gonna show you a couple of other worksheets that I have that I printed out for him for the week. And then my girls have a math game that they're gonna use. I'm gonna show you that. And then we're gonna do our Gather Around Homeschool Christmas unit. We've already started the morning making Christmas ornaments, and I didn't get to record that. We have Christmas read out loud. We have all kinds of fun things to do today. So let me show you the math for my son first. These worksheets are the 12 days of math challenges I found on the website, and they just have little pictures that he has to figure out what each picture represents. This is another math worksheet that he's going to be doing. It's division. He has to find out what's in each gift, what numbers in each gift, and then I have the answer sheet here. So these worksheets were supposed to last us the week. He did them all right now. So we will get some new ones for him to do. And then for my girls who are learning to add and subtract numbers within 10, we have a Santa sleigh drop game. We have 2 tens frames. We have a place where they can record their subtraction problems. And then I'm going to cut these out. These are going to be little cards with little word problems. And here's the instructions here. So I'm gonna read that and we're gonna play that game. And then tomorrow they'll do a color by number, and I will post this is from the teachingtreehouse.com. This one is from thepond.com. So I'll try to remember to post all these different links. But here's some more Christmas by color for addition and subtraction. And then this one here. These are for my kindergartner because my first grader has her own math. She's doing Singapore math. But if she wants to do extra math, I'll photocopy that for her. Then there's a little board game for addition. Just roll a die, and when they land on it, they have to land on a number, and then I'll let them color something. So this is going to be our Christmas math for those not doing their curriculum. So another thing that we've been doing every day is our Gather Around Homeschool Christmas unit. I wish I was getting paid for all these videos from them, but I'm not. It is what we are doing though for Christmas. We are doing a lesson every day. And right now I'm reading and the kids are coloring. So as the girls color, I have my son read the story of whatever we read in his action Bible. This Bible is awesome. This is the action Bible, and it's in comic book form. And so here's the birth of a Savior. I'm going to link this Bible in the description below if you have kids who like comics, or if you just want your son or even your daughter to be more interested in reading the Bible. Okay, so we're learning about following instructions, and today Sadie has to give Arlen exact instructions on how to put on a sweater. Okay? No, you don't know how to do it. No, you don't. Put it on the floor. You're not allowed to touch it. You can only use your words.
First, you put your arms in the hoodie.
Okay, put your arms in the hoodie. Here, put your arms in the hoodie.
Oh, wait, no.
In the hoodie.
Oh, no. In the arm things. I forgot what they're called.
In the arm things. Here.
No,
put your arms in here. All right. Arms. She said both arms. She said put your arms in here. So do it. You have to do it. Girls, was it easy or hard?
Hard. Easy.
Did you always know what we meant? Was it easy to give her directions to put on her shoe?
No.
Or to put on the sweater?
No. She said yes from...
Why do you think instructions are important? Why do you think?
Because if you don't read the instructions, you'll do something wrong.
Yes.
So you have to always read the instructions.
Right. Me neither. Santa has loaded his sleigh. Once he is flying, he has trouble keeping all the gifts on board. Oh dear. He is dropping his gifts out of his sleigh. Help Santa determine how many gifts he has left on the sleigh. Santa has 6 gifts. He drops, what does that say? 5. So right now, at night zookeeper Aaron is reviewing how to turn adjectives into adverbs. So we are trying out Night Zookeeper for the month of December in hopes of getting my son a little bit more into writing. If you check the link in the description below, you will get a 50% off annual subscriptions through this link. And if you sign up, you get a free 7-day trial as well. Marilyn is practicing her writing by writing Santa a letter.
I said that I want anything that you want to give me.
Oh, nice. One of the last things we did was make snowflakes out of paper, or we attempted to anyway. That was kind of difficult following those instructions that we were given. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a couple of little ideas that you guys can use for your Christmas homeschool. Show me how you guys are celebrating the holidays in your homeschooling. If you're doing anything different, please post it in the comments below, and thank you again for watching.